Can you actually feel the attack of the zombies in VR, or is it just a gimmick? Today we are testing nearly the full bHaptics arsenal, including the TactSuit Pro, the sleeves and the visor here. And we will play Arizona Sunshine Remake and Arizona Sunshine 2. These are new supported games, and Vertigo Games added native support. And we need to see if this brings the ultimate immersion. Thanks, by the way, to bHaptics for sponsoring this video. This helps me a lot. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, I just want to show you again how that works. I showed it in the review, but I just wanted to show you because I have all the other devices as well. So as you can see here are all the devices. So this is the PC version of the bHaptics player, and you have to push the buttons on the devices. For example, here's the left tact sleeve, this one here, and as soon as you have Bluetooth connected, push this button, and then here it says it's connecting, and this is blue, this is the left one, and the right one you have to push it as well. It will recognize it, and then it's green, and this is here the right tact sleeve. And then we have the TactVisor, this one here. I put that inside of the Quest, this thing here, yeah, and then on the front you will put the receiver. Yeah, so you can glue, or we have a Velcro strap that you can put here, and then push the button, and then it's also connected here. And of course the vest you connect here with this button. This is so cool. And now I can even test it. I mean, you've seen the review perhaps. Now I can feel it here on the front and on the back. Then with the TactVisor, I can also do a test, but I have to wear it, otherwise I don't feel it like this. Wait, now I can feel it left, right. That's insane. And then of course also the tact sleeve. This is the left one, this one here. Woo! I feel it. And then the right one. Here, I have my mouse here, so I can't show it to you right now. I also feel it. This is really great, and it's ultra easy. It's very easy. It's just connected instantly. And of course you can set things here like the LED, like the feedback, how strong it is and so on. But I left everything on standard settings and it's amazing. It's really, really good. And this is PC, but you can also use it on Meta Quest. There's also an app, and then you don't even need a Bluetooth dongle because the Quest has Bluetooth. So it's very easy, but now let's check out some games. Hey guys, welcome to the game. So as you can see, I'm here in the corner, and on the other side there, you can see the live effects, what happens. So I have the vest, the arm pieces, and also my head. And look at this, when I put on the helmet, you see that? You can see the effect, I can feel it on my head. This is absolutely amazing, right? This is so cool. And yeah, now for example, when I pick up this here, I can feel it on my right arm. I can feel it. Nom nom nom. And now I can feel what I eat in my stomach. How insane cool is that? Yeah, and for example now, when I use my weapon here on the right arm, so check out my right arm now when I shoot. Attention. Bam! I can feel it on my arm and then on my shoulder. How insane is that? Bam! This is just a blast. And now when I put it on the other hand, I have it on my left arm now, and now I shoot again. Check this out. Bam! Now I feel it on my left arm. Wow! Brutal, right? And sometimes if there is a uh-oh. Wait, I want to shoot the barrel. Bam! I can feel the explosion. Did you see that? And the farther I get to the explosion, I feel it even more. Oh. Oh, now they are eating me. Oh my god, they are eating me. Bam! Whoo! Do you see that? It feels so great. Absolutely amazing. And it's supported by so many games, and now there are even more games like this one here, Arizona Sunshine 2, and also we have Arizona Sunshine Remake or Metro Awakening. How cool is that, right? And the list is getting bigger and bigger with native support of the bHaptics suit. That's a blast. It's absolutely amazing. So in my opinion, this is by far the best haptic vest that you can have right now. And I tested a lot of them. Perhaps you've seen that. Bam! Uh-oh. Ammunition is empty. Do we have other weapons? No. Only those weapons. Hello! Pew! It feels so great. Bam! But now I want, I let them hurt me from behind. Let's see. Ah! I love it! I love it! It's so cool. It's so cool, guys. So that was a cool example of a game that's supported now by the complete suit. And now let's check out another game. Okay, guys, and this is the next new game that is supported, Arizona Sunshine Remake. Yeah, and here I have also my full suit here, so I can put my hat on. You see it? I can feel it. This is insane. I love it. And then we can, oh, that was the wrong. Here now we can feel the machine gun. Look at this. Bam! Wow! So nice. Wait. Oh, this feels so immersive. So I didn't even think that the arm pieces are such a big difference, but it is. It feels even more immersive than only the suit. Just great. Absolutely great. And now, look at this, what happens when I stand right in front of that. Bam! Oh! So nice, right? And also, look at this, when I touch something, for example, the door here. You see that? I can feel when I open the door. I can feel it. Even in my hand. You see it? I can feel it in my left hand. Oh. Come on. Ah, I need to grab the bottle. Yeah. Can I cannot throw it to my own head. Ah. Also, when I open this, I can feel everything. Oh wait, I think I can shoot that, right? No, not really. But how cool is that? Yeah, so I will definitely play the game again with the suit here, because it's just to play a different game. It feels like you play another game. Just only because of the suit and the cool additional devices. So amazing. So, guys, I would say we've seen enough now. Let's go back to the studio and talk about it. Okay, guys, and now you've seen everything. And I think you already noticed that I really love this. Yeah, it's so immersive in these games. This is insane. So through the integration of the feedback, this is like totally different games. Yeah, so some haptic vests only have audio to haptic, but this one here has native support, and this is such a huge difference. You can precisely feel where you get shot or where something happens. Like with the head part here, you can feel when you put your head on your head and headshots and something. This is really cool. I mean, Okay, the visor is like not so important, to be honest. But if you want to have the full immersion, this is also really great. And it raises the immersion like very intense, really great. And also the comfort of this one is really good. You can just remove the original part and then put this one here, and then you can use the Velcro strap to put it here. Yeah, that's really nice. And this is also comfortable. I don't have any problems. Also this here, if you don't do it too tight, then it's really nice. It's comfortable. You can wear it for hours. And you also, but the sleeves, this thing here, this is absolutely brilliant in my opinion. This feels like, I didn't expect that, to be honest. I always thought, this is useless, we don't need that, but it's great. It's absolutely amazing. Like when you shoot a gun, normally you only feel it like here, but then you can feel it in your arm and it feels like you're really shooting a gun. That's brilliant. Or when you eat something, or when you touch something, or when you open the door from a car, you feel it here. And that's so much more immersive. Wow. So I love the TactSleeves. They are really great. And for the setup, it's easy. You've seen it. On Quest, it's even easier. Just install the app. Bluetooth is integrated. Connect everything, and then it works. And on PC, just insert the Bluetooth dongle, or if your PC already has Bluetooth, just connect it, and then push the buttons here, and then you're good to go. Yeah, and it's very easy. You don't even need to change something if you don't like. But if you want to frickle around a little bit, you can also do that. Yeah. So the thing is, of course, it's not so cheap. Yeah, we have a pretty high price. But I think if you want the best haptic vest, then it's definitely worth it. It's the best haptic vest. And I have I think 7 or 8 vests here at home, and this one is the best. I can definitely tell that to you. And now we have even more support of games. For example, we have Metro Awakening, Arizona Sunshine 2, and Arizona Sunshine Remake, and many more games on different platforms. Yeah. So I showed you the Steam VR. It's also a Quest and so on. Really great. So the prices, later we will talk about a discount, but the prices here are for the TactSuit Pro, $529. And the bundle with the sleeves is $678. They are included. The sleeves alone is $199. The visor alone is $129. And there are also, which I didn't try, the gloves for $269 and for the feet for $249. But I couldn't try them. But if you want to full immersion, full body haptic feedback, you can get everything. So let's come to a conclusion with pro and con. So on the pro side, definitely it's so easy to set up. Very easy. Not much trouble, just connect it and then you're good to go. The comfort is also great for all the devices, also the sleeves and so on, the head part and everything is really good. You have the best game support for a tactic vest. There are so many games and they are getting more and more because it's the biggest company for haptic vests and yeah, it's getting more and more. Also, the feedback is very precise, very good, much better than only audio to haptic support because this has native support for many games. If a game is not supported, you can still do audio to haptic, but of course that's not as good as the native feedback, but some other vests only have audio to haptic and this is really bad, but this one is great. And we have support for many platforms like PC, standalone, consoles or so, that's really great. Yeah, on the contra part, it's pretty hard to put something. I put the price in brackets because, yeah, it's one of the most expensive haptic vests. It's a high price, but on the other side, you get the best on the market. So I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it because there are other vests that are only like $100 cheaper or so. They are so bad. And this one is really great. So now for discount. First, you can go via my link and save 5%. That's the first thing. So definitely go via my link. You can find it in the description or on my homepage. And there will be a Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale where you can save $100 on the Pro suit and $60 on the Air suit. That's really awesome. And there's also another cool thing. You see, we have these badges here. We can remove them. And then we have, with the Cyber Monday and Black Friday sale, you get a free badge. Yeah, you can put it here. That's so cool, right? They send it to me. And for the other suit, you have this Velcro part here. And then you can, for example, look at this. This is the Arizona Sunshine Remake. You can put it here. This is so cool, right? Really nice. And we also got some other parts here. Look at they sent me the badges here. This one, then the 10th anniversary, bHaptics, another bHaptics. Oh, and then also these two. That's really great, right? So we have nice badges here that you get when you buy it on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. So guys, I hope you liked the review. If yes, give me a thumbs up. In the description you can also find some other links and reviews and so on. And on my homepage, definitely check that out. So I hope you like it. If yes, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE